Are you trying really hard to reach your goals but still feeling stuck? It's not because of you're not smart enough, or because of your friends, or because of your family. It's because of something deep inside your mind. Your mind makes thoughts, and these thoughts decide what you do. Then what you do gives you your results. To reach your dreams, we need to fix the deep part of your mind called the subconscious mind. Sometimes it gets stuck because of old hurts, bad thoughts, or fears from when you were a small kid. Hi, I am KC Parameswaran VSM, a BHS certified hypnotherapist and a life coach, accredited by GHSC UK and registered with GHR UK. I help people clean their subconscious mind, remove old fears, and fill it with good, happy thoughts instead. If you feel this exactly what you need, click the link now and book a session with me. Let's work together and make your dream come true. Have a nice day.